we do this one, right? And then I will do this one with the Metal Charm, which is the Laughing Pumpkin. It looks good too. So let's try that. I was thinking of Metal Charm too. I was like, oh, I'm loving it. All right, we want to put this one a little bit crown. Hey, I can't wait to see your nails tomorrow, Mika. Mika. What nails are you doing right now? See if she has something.
Mika says she has green crystal skull on her.
Ah, so cool. On what finger are you working on her? Mika, take me a picture. I want to see it. I'll put some beads on. Beads on. Beads on. More beads. And more beads. More beads. That's it. And make sure that is in line up in the center, and should be good. Okay, happy with this. We're going to gear this tool a little bit. We're gonna have to move it back